No wonder my rear indicators no longer look yellow. They just look clear because all the paint's come off them. While the tail lights are out, I'm gonna have to clean it up, aren't I? Now that's looking a lot better, all cleaned up. The only thing I notice is a couple of little chips of paint and one little rusty spot here which is starting to affect the paint, so I'm just going to have to clean that up and seal that. There we go, all sealed up now with the trusty old Miracle paint. Stops rust, dead in its tracks. Now he's putting parts back on unless you give them a thorough clean first. There we go, heaps cleaner now. Won't get dirty water dripping out of the tail lights next time I wash my car now.